Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Love is in the air for Simha Rashi natives. This year all you will experience is love, joy, and happiness. Happiness will form a significant part of your life. Love will be in your heart 24/7 because of your family and the people around you. Based on the Simha Rashifal 2020 forecast, this year your finances will dwindle a bit, but this will neither affect your financial stability nor your career. You will be able to overcome all the challenges that come your way and emerge victoriously. Your attitude this year of 2020 will be all about optimism and positivism. Your enduring character will take you a long way in realizing your potential. 2020 career predictions. According to the Rashifal 2020, your career this year will be on the right path. You will work hard to capture the attention of your bosses. Your hard work will not go in vain since you will be promoted to the post of manager. You will be tasked with leading a team due to your determination. The interest and love you have for your career will enable the bosses to consider you for a seat at the table shortly. The motivation and zeal you possess at the workplace will attract your fellow employees to you. You will be in a position to advise them and teach them some skills. Those Simha Rashi natives looking for jobs will secure jobs that will enable them to cater for their expenses. Those who were about to be fired or retrenched will still hold on to their works since their luck has not yet run out. Simha Rashi 2020 forecasts for health. Simha, your health will be awesome this year, but you will need to take good care of yourself. It is not a guarantee that you will enjoy good health the whole year unless you take good care of yourself. Work out always to keep fit. Eat healthy meals and drink a lot of water to strengthen your immune system. The above mentioned will not only apply to you but also to your family members. If your family is healthy and you are healthy, then that is a guarantee that you will have a happy home. You should also cater to emotional and mental health by staying away from stress and depressing situations in 2020. 2020 Simha Rashi finance horoscope. Money. You will experience some challenges financially this year, but you will not necessarily go broke. As per the 2020 finance horoscope for Simha Rashifal, the money you had saved up in the previous years will save your situation this year. Your salary will be delayed a couple of months, but towards July you will receive the same in a lump sum. The profits that you will be expecting from your investments might be delayed since the economy will be trouble for a while. It is upon you to be smart and use what you have saved up wisely and carefully during the Mercury retrograde 2020 dates. Family and love. 2020 Simha Rashifal, love will reign in your life this year. It will be the most important gift in your family. Based on the horoscope for 2020, singles will get into deep love relationships that will lead to marriage. Those who are married will enjoy each other's company, and emotions will be flying all over. Dinner dates will be set frequently to rekindle and maintain the love available at that specific time. January to July 2020, love will reign intensely than in the remaining months. This is also a good time to plan for a baby. Your family will thrive in peace and harmony this month. Disputes will be unheard of between you and your spouse. Small fights will arise here and there, but they will not affect your love for each other. The children will be happy when they see their parents getting along. Simha Rashi 2020 travel forecast. Business trips will be the majority of travels that you will be undertaking in 2020. You will travel to meet foreign investors while at the same time on work-related ventures. The 2020 Rashi predictions reveal that you will travel mostly by road and air. Traveling by rail will be on the minimum while you will not travel by water until the year ends. Conclusion. Joy, love, and happiness are all that this year will be about as foretold by the Simha Rashifal horoscope predictions 2020. Take this opportunity to live up to your dreams and goals. Try as much as possible to achieve your goals and objectives during this time when planetary influences are in your favor.